Grew up using KIKKOMAN hoisin sauce. Went into the Asian store, talked to the owner. Give me something a little lower in sugar that's pretty good. And he gave me this. I don't know how to pronounce it. Hoisin sauce is nice to cook with every once in a while. Has a unique taste. So we're going to do a quick taste test. We're going to look at that. And here's the KIKKOMAN. KIKKOMAN's definitely a lot darker. Ooh. Very nice. And haven't had hoisin sauce in a while, so much thicker too. Darker. Definitely much sweeter. Gonna enjoy cooking something with that. Try to bring you interesting, and if you're into hoisin sauce, try to find an Asian market and get this one. It's yummy. So used to that. Love it.